Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about some important things you should never do when driving an automatic transmission car. Whether you're a new driver or have been driving for years, it's crucial to understand these key points to ensure the longevity and smooth operation of your vehicle. Now, before we delve into the do's and don'ts, let's ensure we're all on the same page. An automatic transmission car is a vehicle that allows the gearbox to change gears automatically. It's widely used by many drivers around the world due to its convenience and ease of use. Automatic transmissions are designed to provide smooth and effortless shifting, but there are certain habits and actions that can have a negative impact on their performance and longevity. So without further ado, here are some of the things you should never do in an automatic transmission car. 1. Shifting to neutral while moving. One common mistake some drivers make is shifting their automatic transmission car into neutral while the vehicle is still in motion. This can put unnecessary strain on the transmission and may lead to potential damage. Always remember to keep your car in drive, D, or the appropriate gear when driving. Abruptly shifting gears without stopping can cause significant damage to the transmission and lead to costly repairs. Take a moment to pause and ensure your vehicle is stationary before changing gears. 2. Resting your hand on the gear selector. It's a habit many of us have, but resting your hand on the gear selector while driving can inadvertently put pressure on the transmission. This can cause premature wear and tear on the internal components. Keep your hands on the steering wheel and avoid unnecessary contact with the gear selector. 3. Ignoring maintenance and fluid checks. Regular maintenance is crucial for any vehicle, including automatic transmission cars. Transmission fluid plays a vital role in lubricating and cooling the transmission components. Over time, the fluid can break down and become less effective. Neglecting fluid checks, such as transmission fluid levels and quality, can lead to serious issues down the line. Make sure to follow your car manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and keep an eye on your transmission fluid. For abruptly shifting from reverse to drive, or vice versa. Quickly shifting from reverse, R, to drive, D, or vice versa without coming to a complete stop can strain the transmission and cause unnecessary stress on the gears. Always ensure your vehicle is at a complete stop before changing gears to avoid potential damage. 5. Using the incorrect gear for driving conditions. Using the wrong gear for specific driving conditions can put unnecessary strain on your transmission. For example, driving in a high gear while climbing a steep hill can cause the transmission to overheat. Be mindful of the appropriate gear selection based on the road conditions to maintain optimal performance. When driving downhill, it's important to use the appropriate gear to control your speed and prevent excessive strain on the transmission. Avoid relying solely on the brakes to slow down. Instead, downshift to a lower gear, such as 2 or 3, to utilize engine braking. This helps maintain control and reduces the risk of overheating the brakes. 6. Resting your foot on the brake pedal while driving. Resting your foot on the brake pedal while driving, also known as riding the brakes, can cause excessive wear on the transmission's torque converter. Constantly engaging the brakes, even lightly, can generate heat and strain the internal components of the transmission. To avoid this, keep your foot off the brake pedal unless you need to slow down or stop. 7. Using the transmission to hold the car on inclines. Using the transmission to hold the car on inclines, especially without engaging the parking brake, is a common mistake that should be avoided. This practice, known as hill holding, places unnecessary stress on the transmission's internal components. Instead, always engage the parking brake when parked on an incline and use the transmission solely for shifting gears. 8. Ignoring warning signs or strange noises. Your car communicates with you through warning signs and unusual noises. Ignoring these signals can lead to more significant issues with your transmission. If you notice any warning lights on your dashboard or hear strange grinding, whining, or clunking sounds, it's crucial to have your vehicle inspected by a professional mechanic as soon as possible. 9. Towing beyond the vehicle's capacity. Another crucial mistake to avoid is towing loads that exceed your vehicle's towing capacity. Automatic transmissions are not designed to handle excessive weight, and towing beyond a recommended capacity can lead to overheating, excessive wear, and even transmission failure. Always consult your vehicle's owner manual to determine the safe towing limits. 10. Revving the engine in neutral or park. Revving the engine while the car is in neutral or park might seem harmless, but it can actually cause unnecessary stress on the transmission. The transmission relies on fluid pressure to operate effectively. Revving the engine in neutral or park can cause a buildup of pressure without the transmission's cooling and lubrication systems engaged. This can lead to increased wear and tear over time. Save the revving for when you're in drive and ready to hit the road. 11. Using 2 foot. Ever think using both feet for braking and accelerating makes you faster? Wrong. In an automatic, this puts unnecessary stress on the transmission by forcing constant gear changes. Leave the left foot for the floorboard and let the pedal dance happen under 1 foot. 12. Cold cranking calamity. Jumping in and hitting the gas the moment you start your car in winter is not cool at all. Cold transmission fluid needs time to warm up and circulate properly. Give your engine a minute to warm up before unleashing your inner speed demon. Caring for automatic transmission cars is essential for maintaining performance, safety, and longevity. Unlike manual transmissions, automatic systems are complex, relying on various components such as fluid, filters, and electronic controls. Regular maintenance ensures these elements function optimally, preventing costly repairs down the line. Monitoring for leaks and unusual noises can help identify potential issues early. Ignoring signs like slipping gears or delayed engagement can lead to serious damage. Routine maintenance, including filter changes and software updates for electronic controls, keeps the transmission operating efficiently. Overall, taking the time to care for your automatic transmission not only enhances driving experience, but also protects your investment, ensuring your vehicle remains reliable and performs well for years to come. Regular attention to these components can save time, money, and frustration in the long run. Automatic transmissions are marvels of engineering, but they deserve respect. These are our top things you should never do in an automatic transmission car. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll help prolong the life of your transmission and ensure a smoother driving experience. Remember to always come to a complete stop before shifting gears. Avoid revving the engine in neutral or park. Use the correct gear for descending hills. Pay attention to warning signs and strange noises, and stay on top of regular transmission fluid changes. Taking these precautions will help keep your car in optimal condition. Remember, taking care of your vehicle is essential for both your safety and the longevity of your car. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. We will see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.